Chapter on To greet is a part of Islam. And Ammar said, whoever acquires the following three qualities will acquire faith: to treat others as one likes to be treated by others, to greet everybody, known and unknown, to spend, give charitable gifts in Allah's cause in spite of poverty. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr. A person asked Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, what sort of deeds in Islam or what qualities of Islam are good? He, peace be upon him, replied, to feed others and to greet those whom you know and those whom you don't know,